Today I have discovered a brand new food that I've added to my arsenal, and I thought I would show you how to eat it. I am of course talking about yogurt. Yogurt is made out of ghee. The ghee consists of a soft solid or a hard liquid texture, and its primary use is for human consumption. Once consumed, it should then travel down your chest area, bypassing the heart and the lungs hopefully, and then it should go towards the stomach, where it should stay there for an unknown amount of time. If I've done my job correctly, then you should have some yogurt successfully in your stomach. The first thing that you'll need to do is to locate some yogurt. My yogurt came directly from the local fridge. I had to take it out of the fridge in another room and then transport it all the way back here. So please bear in mind that these are some of the challenges that you may have to face if you want to be able to eat your very own yogurt. Once you have your yogurt, it should look something like this. As you can see, the yogurt comes in two pots. Presumably, the yogurt is somewhere inside the pots, but that remains to be seen. You will notice that both pots come in this striped colour design. One of the colours appears to be a lightish red colour, and the other is in a dark white colour. If we flip the pots over like this, we'll notice that there is some text, and it reads, "Fruity Duo." The highly observant among you will also notice that on this pot in particular, there is some more information. At the top here, it says 400G. Now, that's quite a high number, and I'm quite wary of this pot now, because I don't know what that number relates to. This pot, on the other hand, has a smiley face on it, and as we all know, that is the universal symbol for safe to eat. So I think we'll discard this pot and only eat from this pot, which means that we'll have to break up the pots in order to access one of them. So in order to break the pots up, what you need to do is to grab your carving knife and chip away at it, just like this. Now, you should be wearing protective glasses and gloves as well, but I'm a trained professional, so I don't need to do that. Doesn't mean you shouldn't be doing that though. This can get very dangerous otherwise. I should have sharpened this knife beforehand. It's having difficulty. So okay, we'll just skip this part and move on to the next bit. Why won't it break through? I want my yogurt. Not fair. Just want my yogurt. I just want to eat the yogurt. After sawing through both of the pots, you should have one pot remaining, and this one is a safe pot to eat because it has the smiley face on there, so we're all good to go. Now the very final thing that you need to do before eating the yogurt is to take off the lid, and we do that with our carving knife. So just pry away at it, just like this. And then you'll be able to eat the yogurt after that. With the help of the carving knife, I'm now able to peel off the lid, just like that. Oh, it's quite gooey inside. I wasn't warned of that. I'll have to get a cutlery to eat it with because I don't want to get my fingers dirty. That would be horrific. Okay, so I've just retrieved the cutlery, so finally we can begin eating it. So what you'll need to do is to turn your cutlery upside down like this and put the cutlery inside the pot and then take a spoonful of it. Now the first thing that you'll notice when eating the yogurt is the taste. And it tastes a bit chewy, but it's not too bad. I can eat it without gagging, which is always good. after taking a spoonful, you'll then need to take another spoonful, just like this. If you've had 2 bites of the yogurt and you're still feeling hungry, then you'll need to take a 3rd bite. And to do this, what you'll need to do is to dip your cutlery into the yogurt, like this, shake it a little, and then put it in your mouth and eat it, just like this. After eating 3 bites of the yogurt, I am starting to get a bit full now, but I will have one more bite just to show you that it can be done. You can have 4 bites of the yogurt if you want, and this is how you do that. Now, you need to make sure that you swallow the yogurt, otherwise you'll not be successfully eating it, and that could prove disaster for you. But all in all, if you follow all of these steps correctly, then you should be eating yogurt yourself. So best of luck with your attempts. I understand that eating yogurt is a very complicated and tedious process, and it's not for everyone, but for those of you that do want to give it a go, I highly recommend it. There are quite a few steps involved, but once you are eating your yogurt, I can assure you that the rewards are endless. Now, I've started to become extremely hungry all of a sudden, so I'm going to have to eat some more yogurt. So I'll catch you all later, and see you. Oh yeah, that did it. Oh, I could sleep now. Oh, this can't be good for my neck.